there for you. And if you need me, I'll be there in the blink of an eye. I don't know where we went wrong. All I know, I love her so.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
I mean, I said the marker represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them marker say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the General Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. All right.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me there. Whoa. You know the style me there. I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
This brother is a Kings of King artist from back in the day. I know you haven't seen him in Toronto in quite some time, but he's here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, the electrifying, the dynamic, the one and only, is here tonight, is ready to work for you. Help me bring him on stage by making some noise now. Make some noise for the one and only Turbulence. Turbulence.
One of the most prolific artists in this era. Are you ready to rumble? Shred boss, never so real. Turbulence, the future.
You saw me consider it. Make it the man a break. I live Selassie, I live in the range of the heart of all flesh. Only man who like King Selassie, I draw. Yeah man, busy me up well when me fit to do side do me lock. Let you rise man. We start with the woman them in a year. We start with the woman them happy Mother's Day. Even now, balance. Turn your lights down low. And come and let your moon come shining into our life again. Say, ooh, I love you. Yeah. And I want you to know right now. Ooh, I love you, yeah. And I want you to know right now. I'm gonna give you some love. Happy Mother's Day, come now. I wanna give you some good loving. Let me hear you. I wanna give you some good loving. Never told you once more. Oh man, I love you for sure. You know, in Canada, Toronto, everybody sing. All right. We've got the love. Officer, pull up. Give me something else. Them cut with time. Balance it. Pull up and have it away. Pull up. Come I see some man in Canada. I see some man in Canada and America when I'm call to the woman them hey bitch. Come over here, bitch. Even some man in Jamaica about hey girl. You have to respect the woman them and the mother of the earth them. So, any man wanna love the woman, them for Chuck Harbor and I see you, Mr. Ronda, so. Give me it again. When you want a woman, you walk over to her. Balance! When you want a woman, you walk over to her and get to the point. And you say, see you, baby. You see you. I need your name and number. Where you is. Pull out! Give me it again. One more time. One more time! I love you so. Wow. Baby. All the real man will love the woman. Them are your tunes. It was love at first when I saw her, and I knew from that moment your thoughts and your deeds was good, and goosebumps came all over me when I look into. Me want to show off now. Me want to make me feel good. How real Jamaica me I come from? Sing it out, honey. I need you by my side. I need your name and number. Woman, the feelings get high. I need your name. I need you by my side. I need your name. Balance. My name is Turbulence and Rastafari way me choose it. Occupation is different thing. Come now. Whoa, you're so unforgettable. All of the people in Toronto will love that tune, yo. Everybody feel you sing, let me hear you now. I'm still loving you. Give me it again. Whoa, you're so unforgettable. Big up Natty King. Big up Chilla you. Hey ladies. Oh yeah. I'm still loving you. Come on. Ooh. You're still on my mind. I do care for you. And if you need me, I'll be there in the blink of an eye. I don't know where we went wrong. All I know, I love her so. Oh, 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 oh. Things didn't work out the way that everybody in that Toronto from you enjoying yourself. Everybody sing balance. If you need someone to beautiful, yeah, yeah. If you need financial support, I will. Balance. What me see the crowd? Hear me say. You know I feel like crying. Pull up. Different thing. We are running smooth. Balance it. Balance it. Hey, them always free them do a party. Now this one is dedicated to the legends that were alive. I heard that my father, Kokoti, is feeling ill. I heard that Mr. Captain Freddie McGregor is feeling ill. We now wait till them pass from flesh. For we send that one to them. Say get well. Say get well. Say get well. Tribute. We said the tuning in Rastaman in your love. Tuning in Cocotina your lawn. Every year you come now. Tuning in Cocotina your lawn. You think of that? You think of that? You think of that at this? Oh, Canada, big ships sailing on the ocean, and we don't need no commotion, yeah. You think of that? You know, one love. Let's get together and one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and listen this. Murderer! Come now! Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Balance! A lot of people don't know. Sizzla Kalanji brought me here to the forefront. So anywhere me go, me have to big up Sizzla Kalanji. All our real Sizzla Kalanji go so. All our real kick, hey, all our road Kalanji go so. Alright, Babylon give you a right feel your money, get you funny. Then brainwash you on your western journey. Babylon give me something else. We're still there for the tribute. We're still about to tribute, you know. We have to pick up every artist before I and every artist after. Are you ready? Hear me now. Love and honor put away any frown. What goes around comes forward. I couldn't freak, couldn't predict me, but up your. Them no sit down para storm and shown. Chant them with the ways. Or else you must be an alien from not around. Balance it, brother. Balance it, brother. Alright. Old MacDonald had a farm, and on that farm he had some cows. But the people them nyam off the cow, nyam off the goat, nyam off the chicken, nyam off the what? Old MacDonald had a farm. Me said that one on him, run cow, run pig, run for your life. See the cannibal there, you come with the knife. Pull up. Give me second to last one then. Cause them a run me off already. Give me the second to last one. Cause we still represent the kings of kings. Only man is last year, sure. Whoa, Rastafari govern the world. Big up the father, them we take care of the youth them. Big up the mothers them. A turbulence the future. You tell me you don't say I could have been one of them all. Love you them.
Yeah! Jano style. Come make some noise! Turbulence, man, tell you. Whenever you hear some of the big hits, you know. Jano. But next time, because, you know, time short, alright?
Yeah, this is Lucian Jemison. They give a big shout out
On
to Chef
behalf
from
of
Media.
Kings of Kings,
Keeping the
I
people
apologize.
educated and
But in the
entertained.
meantime, we're going to keep the
Music
show
and
rolling,
visual.
folks.
Messengers. Alright.
Good.
Kings of Kings promotion. Enough respect. Give thanks for the great show and the turnout and the people really supported
Yeah.
Kings of Kings promotion. And I was just
Let up here, run some
honored to be a part of this and this promotion.
Blessed love.
It's an honor. Kings of Kings promotion. Kings of Kings.
Yes, Kings of Kings. Bless up.
Bless.
Yeah. Messenger.